Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clear cache on a Telegram desktop. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my Telegram application on my computer, and then I'm going to show you how we can clear cache to free up our space on Telegram. If you want to clear cache, you can go to the Telegram setting. You can click on these three lines on the top left, and then you're going to open up the settings. In the settings, you're going to go to the advanced setting. All right, and then you're going to go to manage local storage, and here you'll be able to clear cache in your Telegram. And then I'm just going to click on clear all. All right, and now the cache has been removed from my Telegram. That's so easy, right? You can also manage the total size limit for your cache. I'm going to reduce the limit, okay? And I'm going to activate the auto clear cache. I'm going to set it to 1 week. Okay, and I'm going to click on save. Alright, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to clear cache on Telegram desktop. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!